Hello guys, welcome to Pado Likho Computer Science, and Mr. Tayyib Mughal is here, and our photo app series is continue. And last part we complete not complete the video, so in the second part you can see we add to friend name dot add on text change listeners. After this we need to put here object. After this we need to text vouchers, and after this we need to put curly brackets. And here you can see and control and int implement methods, and choose all methods and copy this one. And when our method is I remove this to do, so I space here and I remove this one, also this one, and also this one. So I work on change, on text change. So here we need to put here get a text. So I text a user name. No, I put here simple name. After this we need to get name from user dot text, gets text dot to string dot trim. No, sorry, that to trim. After this here's load, create a function load friends, and put a parameters here. And here's you can see I create a function. So control and enters and create a functions and this class. So you can see as our class is ready, private function is ready. So here's we need to put Firebase, sorry, that Firebase recyclerView adapter. After this we need to object, and after this we need to Firebase recyclerView adapters. And now it's time to put here first we create a view holder. So I put here friends view holder. So here's I put a class keyword, and after this we need to put here friends view holder, view holders. And after this extend to recyclerView adapter dot view, and after this put in curly brackets. And you can see as error control int and implement methods. And after this we need to put here constructors. I enter alt, and you can see here it's not use it. So we add here curly brackets, and after this we put here val m view, and after this we put here view. And after this you can see here put here m view holders. Our model class is ready. Now it's time to put here first we need to put friends model class, and after this we need to put friends view holders. And you can see here errors, and after this put in remove this and put, sorry, that we put here practice. And after this you can see here's errors control, and you can see here something error. So I put errors control, and to doing for this one we need to Firebase reference. So I go here and write here select interval m Firebase Firebase database, and after this we need to Firebase database no, we need to database reference, and after this we need to here's Firebase, and after this we need to put here Firebase database dot get instant dot reference. Reference is our users. So I go back and verify what our child name is users. So I go to our database. Our database is opening, so wait a little bit time. Here you can see our username for users is a name is user. So I come back here and put here verify the name. His name is okay, and after this we need to first of all we need to here friends model class, and after this we need to put here view holders. So friends view holders dot double colon and dot class dot java. So I put here again and put here dot. No, before it we add here friends. Our layout name is a friend. No, sorry, that we put here or dot layout dot friend layout, and put here comma, and after this we need to put here comma, and after this we need to m friends m Firebase database reference. You can see here our method is implement, and after this we need to put here implement. So I put here curly practice, and after this you can see here's errors, and put enter control implement methods. No, our method is here, and no, it's time to working with here. Our model class is ready, so and also we need to now it's time to use a view holder view holders dot. So I put here view holders dot m view holders dot users name. This name is come from the list friend. Okay guys, list this name is id. You can see here user name. So I go back here and dot set text, and after this we need to put model class dot models dot. No, we put here yeah, I need to put here models dot name user name. You can see here username, and I copy this line to here. You can see I close this command this lines and explains this line. So here you can see here we change to m view, and after this we need to put here m username, and after this we need to put here m view, and here's also change the status to m user status, and after this we need to what we doing here view holders dot m view. After this we need to I come back here and put here question mark. No, not put here question mark. So here's we need to put here question mark also, and here's also. No, that is not good way. So I remove this question mark. Why we given the errors? So we need to remove this question mark here, and you can see here's where address is gone. I command this line and show you how to add this line. So I put here a picasso dot with the application constant load m users m model class m model question mark, and after this dot we need to m user name, and after this we need to put here into and dot m view holder dot m view dot go back here from set to dot user, sorry, that put here and m user image view. Okay guys, we fix all these things here, and I command remove this one. You can see here simple line code. If you are given face any confusion, you watch our single video, you variable on our channel. So I search here and go to I show you, and you can see search also पढ़ो लिखो CS on Google, and go our channel. First link here, first link, and also you can see here's fixes something I show you. Yeah, I show you this one tutorial. You can see this one tutorial, Android Kotlin list view live search data Firebase REST. You can see here. Okay guys, don't worry, you can see this one a tutorial. So I close this app, and here's now it's time to set a adapters. So I check this one and also this one, and uh, I command this one, and here's we need to set adapter m friends list dot adapters equal to Firebase adapters. You can see this name set here's adapters. Okay guys, now it's time to go back on the top, and here you can add some data. So I put here's m friend list dot layout get layout and set to, no, it is not good way. So we need to add to the lines m5 friends list dot set has fixed size true, and set linear managers linear managers linear managers set linear manager to linear managers linear layout manager dot truth. Okay guys, now it's time to go back. Before going to anywhere, we need to we need to add go to our menu, and here we need to put a menu. You can see here is not fire profile and logout. No, it's time to add menu items, and here you can see atoms. So I put to replace on the top, and it's time to I put here uh, friends list, name it, oh sorry, that I put here friends. Why why given error? So I delete it. I delete it and copy and also paste here. No, I use to add here, and I put here name friend, and change place with replace it. Now it's time to add a ID, so I assign ID dot underscore friends underscore friend, and go back our main activity, and here you choose add a one more if statement. So I put here if statement. So atom and question mark atom id dot atom id equal to or dot id dot menu friends. You can see here no id is variables what happening. So I go again menu and see here I assigning id friends, and we need to and control enters and made string. So our array is gone, and here you can see what happening. So you can see here's our id. I close my project and open again, and you can see here's we find our id. So it's time to start intent. I enter here's users friends, just just a name, so don't worry, it is name. After this we need to start intent, and after this putting application constant and colon, and after this we need to put here models double colon clause, and after this we need to start activity and user activity. So here you can see our activity. Now it's time to run our app and check our code is working or not. So I put here, I click on the run button, and you can see here the dialog box, and I go to here and open my vessel block. My sometime it's not open automatically open as a manual. You, and after this view and close this one. So our visual is open. Now it's time to run the. So guys, I run on the app, and you can see here the result. I have to result in database. So our cursor is not working. So here you can see here I enter. You can see here we have two record in database. I show you. You can see here we have two record is here and showing again. You can see here, and second is one. So lot of mistake we do in this project. So what we fix, first of all, go to our model class for friends list model view. You can change it to name, status and image, and after this made a constructor same way, and select and right click and generate and insert, and after this we need to empty container. Sorry that we put here the wrong names, that's it's why you can data cannot load. One thing is fixed here, and after this we come back here, and I had lot of made a recyclerView as a member variable. You can see here's recyclerView and recyclerView adapter. After this we put here model class, and after this we put a friends view holders. And okay guys, after this we need to put here's M toolbar, and after this put set sport action bar, and put here say the M user toolbar. Okay, you can change your name with also, and set a title. You can see here you can see here this search user. Okay guys, after this you need to put here m dot text color. I change it white. So if you got any error, you can put here toolbar dot tvc vt 7 dot widget dot tool. You can change it also if you got toolbar errors. And after this, go back to our Firebase reference. Here's an instant reference users. After this, we fix here's m user dot set has fixed size and dot set linear layout. You can see here's. After this, we put here's the m username dot add on change listener object, and on text change what we do here is we use it a username get text name from users, and after made a functions and put as a parameter here. If we go to our functions, you can see I put here the conditions, and here's I receive the name. Here's I put if name is equal name is empty recyclerView dot cleanup. When our user is we not enter any single word and name, you can see I put not here's any word and no result is showing here. And when I put here's any word, you can see result is so again the world, you can see here. Okay guys, and do this if text field is empty, set this, and after this run a query val or firebase search query, and m database reference dot order by child dot name is put here name same name as our username. So after this it start at user when user enter the name, and end where username and slash uf8 ffa unicode. After this I remove here's wall and made a member variable, you can see here's. Okay guys, and come back here, and equal to object we work on. So we change here's m username to replace with the name status and image. You can see here. Sorry that I step is wrong, so you got any errors, you change it like this. And after this we need to set adapters. Okay guys, lot of things I experience here, and lot of things we need to use the m user toolbar id. Also I change it to user toolbar. Okay guys, you change also and go back to our activity. You can see here's a user toolbar id is here. After this all things is same, do not change anything. So after this we come back here's our main activity. You can see as if put here conditions, and when we click sorry I start with the wrong way because I do not know what we do. You can see here our friend, I click on friend, you can come here friend screen, and you can see this one. So after this go back here, I click go back here, and you can see here. And after this lot of things not changing anything here. So okay guys, a lot our list is here, and our model class is changing is okay, and also model activity. Now it's time to go to manufacturing, Android manufacturing files, and go to friends, and here's put parent activity name main activity. Okay guys, I run it later. You can see put here's our friend list activity, you can see again, and you put here parent activity, and back tier his appears, arrow is appear. So if you got errors when you build a app, you got errors. I made a separate video on this, but I explain the errors. I search it, go to Google, and go open the history, and I search lot of things because I got lot of things. Oh no, I close this, and you can see this errors. I go to history, and here's I explorers. Yeah, I find it here. if you got the runtime errors, you can see here's the unable to remergeable index in Android Studio. This one, you got this one error when you run the app. What we do to fix it? It is the three way to fix it. First, check your dependencies and libraries not pasted twistly. I mean, secondly, just verify I have not find any duplicate library here. Okay guys, you find it, one solution is there, and after this you can put here the multi dx enable true. Okay guys, after this you need to clean the project, and after when your project is clean, after this you need to rebuild the project and run again. If you got same errors, what we do, you use the Firebase dependencies variance is lower. We use 11.0.4, a few minute start I mean in the start video, in this video start you can use 11.2.2 high current variant to lower variant. Okay guys, you can change it to lower variant. Okay guys, I put here, you can see here's our auth and database, and after this storage I changed to 11.2.0.2 and same it. And after this you can see here's Firebase UID. You can change it again to go to Firebase UID, where go, oh sorry, that go to Firebase UID, where link, and open the this one, open this one link, and after this we need to go here. You can see the list of the variable. We use the this one variance, lowest variant, because our current variant is say 11.0.4. I change it to 11.0.2, and you can see here's 2.1.1. okay guys, so you can change it this way. After this we go back here, and I manually change here. I remove this recyclerView to this one, and third one is solution is here. We use this one, and after the upgrade to us to 7.1.0, and after to go to compilers, variance is 0.7, and after the target variance is 2.7. okay guys, you can change also, it is the third solutions. And after this you need to synchro and continue. Now it's time to run the our project. I hope I explain the each and everything, and how to resolve the errors when we run the app. Our app is not installed and given the this name of errors. I show you again. Enable the margin index. okay guys, I hope you got it. If you face any problem, you connect me in for our Facebook page. I shall reply you. Don't worry. And it's time to run the app. I click on the run the app button, and it's time to check our funnel. See, funnel variants. So you can see here, guys. I request you support me, and I share with your friends. And if you have got any errors, any confusions, or any lot of things in the nowadays you got in, when you reach in the heavy levels, you can got it, and you think how to search and resolve the errors. Don't worry, it is not any complaint. I go so to against, and it's time to I put here G, and you can see result it here, and also I put here M. you can see it is the case sensitive. Please, so guys, please put the name. If username is start with capital M, you put here M, and if username start with a small letter, you can put here small letters. okay, see you guys, meet you guys in next video. If you like this video tutorial series, you video tutorial series, so share with your friends, and our next video, meet you next video. Allah Hafiz.